turagushimiye kubw'iri funguro duhaye rya mu gitondo. Twagirana na Yesu turagushimiye, amena. Kubera yuko abashyitsi bahejwe, tugiye kunywa icyayi babita breakfast.
Do you think the police went after the fugitive?
Do you think that the police is going to worry about chasing a band of crazies or no?
That's what they should be doing.
Then practice this. They have other priorities. They don't waste their time there.
I couldn't care less, Barnum. Just do something. Free your contacts, but we have to find Salvador.
I have to hang up now, right? Later we can talk.
A preliminary audience for arbitration.
She wants me to stay.
I know. It's a normal process. In these cases of defamation,
Vale.
with a lawsuit, the judge always promotes a meeting between
Ni bana yekuli musiru kati nokunyata yo mala kwekwata.
to see if they can get him in court.
Genda sikuwade karibu.
There doesn't exist the slightest possibility of making it work with that vermin.
Yana kumwaitwa kati mcheyo yokola nsimbako. Bako nchuse chana. Ndika nawe.
Genda.
Ndembako.
Hmm?
I'm just thinking that I'll see the face of that son of a
She wants me to stay. To stay. She wants me for a night.